And now we'll come to 141 pounds. Team score, Ohio State leading Oklahoma here in the third place match at the EAS Sports Nutrition NWCA National Duels. Jason Bryan here with you on this presentation of college wrestling by Fox College Sports. And we're seeing one of the best in the country already going to work is two-time NCAA champion Logan Stieber, another Ohio product out of Monroeville, Ohio. He's taken on a previous All-American, Nick Lester. Lester placed 2 years ago at 149 pounds, now down at 141. And Mr. Stieber, a two-time champion at 133, moving up to 141 this year. Not too impressed as he takes the 2-0 lead here in the early going. Stieber ranked number 3 in the nation coming into this bout. Much of that because of the one loss he had early in the season to Penn State's Zane Rutherford in sudden victory. Rutherford's maintained an undefeated record, as has returning runner-up Mitchell Port of Edinburgh. So that would explain why Mr. Stieber, as he cuts Nick Lester loose, that explains why Logie Bear, that is not a... Logie Bear is his Twitter handle, folks, and his nickname, so in case you're wondering where that comes from. Anyway, Mr. Stieber ranked third because he's got a loss, and the other two guys ahead of him still unbeaten at this point in the season. 2 more for Logan Stieber, now 4-1, and he is vicious with this arm bar in the half. Watch this, folks. Nick Lester's in a position he does not want to be in. So to drive Lester back down to the mat. Going to try to run that half in deep, and Logan Stieber, known for putting up buckets of bonus points in his career. Two-time national champion, looking for a third title. He is a junior. It's Nick Lester, the Eureka, Kansas native. Redshirt senior. Him and Kendrick Maple flipped weights. We'll see Maple next. Stieber looking for a fall. He's got the count. Takes that half over. And referee holding 3, and he will award 3 near fall points. So it'll be 7-1 for Stieber here. 30 seconds remaining in period number 1. Rotting time up over 2 minutes now.
Team score, Minnesota 4, Cornell 3.
Stieber going to try to get a count as they stay in bounds. Again, any part of your body in that circle. And there's 2 more near fall for Stieber, extending his lead now to 9-1. And he's going to go right back to work with 2 more. It looks like he's going to get a full 5 count. So that'll be 3 more near fall at the buzzer. So 12-1 at the end of a period for Logan Stieber. Wait to see what Lester's choice is here. See Stieber walking over, talking to Lou Roselli there on the left, and two-time NCAA champion Jay Jaggers. That's J, just the letter J. He went by Jeff in high school, but once he got to college, he dropped the EFF and decided to go with J. Jaggers is a huge fan of the television show Friends, and he is not afraid to admit that. Breaking the action to clean up some blood on Lester gives us an opportunity to tell you that the EAS Sports Nutrition NWCA National Duels are presented by the United States Marine Corps and Hibiclens in honor of Cliff King.
TV timeout.
And Stieber going to start down. Lester actually a pretty good wrestler on top too. He'll throw a leg in and get some turns and whatnot. You see him already trying to slide that leg in. Stieber's having none of it. Gets out in the escape. Extends his lead now to 13-1. Here just 20 seconds into period number 2 at 141 pounds. Stieber tried a little drag to the right side. to go underneath. Shot, reshot. Nothing doing. Collar tie to the near side. Lester going sweep. Stieber whizzing in, posts on the head, look to go far ankle. Lester trying to finish. Trips Stieber down to the mat, covers the legs, gets two, so now 13-3 is the score. Stieber trying to come out. Grabs the leg, looks like he might have a little Peterson roll there, for at least he looked like he had the opportunity for a moment. Went on the leg. Lester still technically in control in this situation. Escape has not been awarded yet. Now Stieber answers with the reversal. Now 15-3 with 20 seconds remaining. Here at period number 2 at 141 pounds, our third match of 10. And that's how the second period will end. 15-3 lead for Stieber. Looks like we got a little bit more blood to clean up. You can see Jaggers and Stieber talking about which character they liked more, Ross or Rachel. Actually, no, they're probably talking about how to get the bonus point and end this match. Oklahoma trainer attending to Lester. Jared Frayer, Olympian, multiple-time All-American for the Sooners. We'll start neutral here in the third. The fall by Nick Roberts and the upset win by Johnny DeJulius is where we stand right now. 9-0 lead. Stieber now in on the leg again. Lester trying to post on that head as Stieber doubles off. Covers the legs, and there's two more, so now 17-3. So another point will terminate the match with a technical fall. Of course, if Stieber rides him out the rest of the period, he'll get an extra point for the riding time. Stieber still working that bar. Trying to look for a tilt. No count there as he rolls right through, does Lester. And we'll get a fresh start. 32 seconds remaining. Third and final period here at 141 pounds. And it looks like we've got some more blood.
I need a cup. No matter what, Logan, don't let him go. 31, Nate, 31.
On the restart, Stieber goes right to work with a half in the tight waist. Pressuring forward. Leg into the left side. Stieber maintaining control as Lester is up to his feet. Stieber drops back down the mat, brings Lester back down with him. Sits through and tack on a point for riding time. It'll be 5 big points for Ohio State, extending the lead. Down to 14-0 after the technical fall by two-time national champion from Ohio State, Logan Stieber.